fucking. A side screen for the like nobody said nothing. That's how it is and how it's gonna be. Until somebody do something shit. Walter Scott died, ain't nobody do nothing. But let a nigga owe $100 to another little nigga. Bet them guns get the boss. I be like, fuck em. Laying in the cut when you're ready for war. I got my shoes tied. What's up?
Hey, listen, and I swear before God, my nigga, if that nigga roll up on me again like a box,
okay, I back in that underground. I got that color sound. That Geechee music, bring your sister, mother, brother round. Hey, barbecues at your cousin's house. Yeah, we back with them new tunes. Time to spread the love around. We got them buzzing now. Libations all around. No more double cups of lean. I ain't drugging now. Hey, I still thugging clown. Big 40, white truck, real sporty. Geechee girl, get naughty. Oh, tell me something that I can't teach. Give me a fire ass beat. There ain't a fan that I can't reach. Hey, quiet down, let the man speak. Don't be so quick to throw shade when you knowin' you in hands reach.
Take it down before the second shot. How about that? I was posted at the Evergreen. Half an ounce white with a digital scale. Gotta get this off tonight. Yeah, you motherfucking right. My kids gotta eat. You can call that civil rights. Just call SCNG. They about to cut off the lights. If I don't get this money right. So if you ain't talking about money, out of mind, out of sight. You fucking right.
We dropping songs every damn week. Connect though next to blow. Fuck around, get your ass beat. I sling the pen like swords, a real rap god. These low tight pants rappers don't even rap hard, but swear they trap gods. I will rap proverbial circles while blowing these clouds of purple. Only